this would be almost like a fall day. Anyway, it's taking along. If you see anything interesting, I'll just video log it. From there is keep the cats from going under your car. And I don't know if it really is effective, but people do that. Lots of stray cats in Tokyo. Lots of old ladies who feed them. Well, there's something you don't see very often in Tokyo. It's a pickup truck. It happens to be a Toyota Tacoma, but pickup trucks are very unpopular here. Something going on here. I see the cops and another ambulance. Somebody collapsed or something. A little excitement for you. It's a big supermarket here in Yokodo. It's a new building called the Tomihisa Cross that just got put up in the last couple of years. It's a big building. Down that direction is Shinjuku Station. Across the street here, there's the Yasukunidori. Getting dark. Need to buy a light. So we have a fire truck coming. Something going on over here somewhere. Ambulance, police, fire trucks. And of course nobody gets out of the way. Gotta yell at them to get out of the way. They're actually stopping and asking the rent-a-car people to move the rental truck. It's kind of funny. reason I came here today is to go to this bicycle shop, Wise Road. Need some inner tubes for my bike. I'm going to try to get a little bit of cycling again. And the other thing I need is, I need a light. I've been looking for lights for this camera setup and found a few, but they're kind of, I don't know. So I thought maybe bicycle light would work. So I thought I'd just take a look at what they have. This is the cycling shop. Got bicycle parking here for clients. It's kind of cool. Gonna be busy here on Sunday. Somebody's dinner. Oh, hi, arigato. Could be over there. Oh, look at the luggage, I guess. Fire truck's still there. Hey, Stu the Tokyo Craftsman here again. So I spent the day today doing a bunch of things, but I did go for a walk for about an hour, a little over an hour I guess. Walked something like 3.5 kilometers. went to buy some eggs, went to buy some tubes for my bicycle so I can maybe ride it again, make some tea. I'm drinking Rubio's Orange today. I don't know, pretty good. So I tried out the new the monopole charging handle, and I think it worked pretty good. This is going to be the end card for that video. It's pretty boring video. I mean, I went a lot of high speed speeding up through walking through the streets of Tokyo as the night was falling, because it's pretty boring. I saw a couple things, some fire engines and an ambulance, and I saw a pickup truck. I know, but in Tokyo they're not very common. But yeah, I think the handle worked pretty well. I mean, I think it's a lot easier to carry the camera around than with the big Gorilla Pod. And I think it's more, I mean, it's still jerky you're walking, but I think it's also much more stable than just holding the iPhone 6 in my hand and walking. So, you know, I think it's a win. And the charging, I mean, I ran the camera for more than an hour of video, much more than an hour of video. And the battery was in the camera still read 100%, and the battery in the charging handle still was glowing green. So, you know, that's a heck of a lot of an improvement over just the onboard camera, the camera battery, or I guess the phone battery, because the onboard phone battery 45-50 minutes, and I went from 100% to like 6%. So with this charging handle, it makes it easier to carry. I can set it down and talk to the camera. I can I think it's better for stability when I'm walking, and the charger seems to work pretty good. Like, I got a full hour, and you know, everything's still at 100%. So I don't know, I'm hopeful maybe I could shoot 3 or even 4 hours of video on that if need be. So yeah, I think that charging handle was a win-win. Like I said, today's video is pretty boring. It was just kind of a proof of concept walking around. I found it quite humorous walking around Tokyo, and you have people kind of giving you the stink eye because you're videoing. I also think that this method of doing it, I would just kind of hold it here comfortably, kind of, you know, and I think fewer people noticed that I was filming. So yeah, I think it's pretty much a win-win. Anyways, now I got to get back to my real job and get some woodworking done and other things, and I'll be doing that. So anyways, I guess you might have noticed I changed the name from Tokyo Craftsman to The Tokyo Craftsman. Please don't misunderstand that as I'm thinking I'm the Tokyo Craftsman, because I'm not. It's just that I found myself tripping over Tokyo Craftsman all the time. I don't know, it's just a weird language thing for me. So I think it's just easier to say The Tokyo Craftsman. So anyways, that's it. That's it for now. I hope you guys keep tuning in. Subscribe and share if you can. I'm going to try to make more videos all the time now. They're going to be this kind of vlog thing, but I also hope to do some more intense project videos as well. Okay, that's it. Stu signing off.